Hello and welcome to a new tutorial series for my plugins where I will teach you how to use them. So in this video I will show you how to customize the generated post content to match your needs. So let's select a source, let's say ABC News. Let's create only one post at a time, in which I will show you how to customize content for imported posts. So you can modify the title and the content for posts in these two settings fields, and you can use also shortcodes. Let's customize the content and also use a random sentence generator. I will show you the deal with this in a moment. So this is the shortcode for the random sentence. To customize the random sentence, you should go to main settings of the plugin and edit this field. So let's say this article changed my life. These sentences will be added to the title. Check it now, you will not regret it. I am so happy I know this now. I wish I knew this a year ago, and so on. So the random sentence will select one sentence from these. Also you can use variables, but I will not use variables because I have these static sentences now. Save settings. Okay, so the title will generate, so the plugin will generate the title for imported posts, the original title of the post, and my random sentence. We can also use this other shortcodes. Okay, now let's go to content. We can also use the random sentence to shortcode or the random sentence shortcode, the item date. So item content will output the full content of the article if you check this checkbox. If you don't check this checkbox, the item content shortcode will output only the excerpt of the post, only a snippet of the post. So if you wish to get full content, you should check this. So in this case we get the full content, read more button. Okay, but let's say I want before the content I want to show article publish date. BR is a new line. So my articles will contain now on the first line publish date, the date, and the content. Let's see what we have here. More things. Item media will output the featured image of the post. Description, plain text, URL, category tags, show image, image URL, author, and author links. Let's say author also. Author. Okay. And let's also display the image of the post after the content. Nice image of the news article. Okay, so in this case you will have in the generated article the publish date, the author, the full content, and some other stuff like the image. Okay, so let's save this. Let's check our blog. It's empty, and let's create the post that we want to import. And here it is. So the title, check it now, we will not regret it. The random sentence that we used, publish date, author, the full content, and the image that is assigned as the featured image for the imported post. Okay, so this is how you edit the title and the content for imported posts using this plugin. If you enjoy my plugins, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more cool news and features for it. Bye bye.